Since I decided to like manifest everything into my life, this is my old camera, my baby, the camera that I love so much, more than actual humans actually, because this is meant to take me to play. This is meant to buy my flight ticket. And God, I'm ready to have my baby back. That's why I'm charging it. God, I'm waiting for money to come, because I know you're so faithful to me. So I'm gonna charge it. Let me tell you guys, the day I will see this camera light up, like ile siku nitaona inaonyesha, like let me tell you, I'm gonna break the internet that day. Yeah, I said it. Snacking all the way. I have 2 smokies. This is tomato sauce and I need to try choma sauce, barbecue sauce, right? This is how I like to eat it, and I've also sprinkled some salt. Just having my moment. Yeah, today's on Friday. Hey, I just posted a vlog, guys. If you haven't watched my previous vlog that I'm gonna post before, I've already posted it. I've actually posted it today, and as promised, I have started another video, so make sure you go and watch it and pray about this, guys. Also, my nails, my friend did my nails. I don't know if she has an Instagram. If she does, I'm gonna link it up. But yeah, I love them so much. Yeah, I just remembered I actually restocked a few of my makeup products. So I bought this this primer again because yangu imeisha and I've used it for years. So I actually got the same because this is the only one I could find, and the ones that I want I cannot afford right now. Okay, I don't have the money to buy the ones that I want at the moment. Anyway, my sister bought this for me, restock. This I had because yangu imeisha. See, this is how much I love makeup. Anyway, I'm so excited to show you guys because I've never contoured like completely, and I know how to because I know that I know. I just know that I know. This is for contouring, highlighting, and this is my shade. So I can't wait to be back so that I like show you guys how but I still need a few things because I don't have lashes, and my foundation is almost over, and you guys know how expensive makeup is. But I washed all my brushes, so yeah. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? So today is it's on Tuesday, and this is a continuation of the vlog. I wanted to tell you guys that I don't really have much to do today, but I have a package that I need to pick at Jumia, and I need to go to school. And I guess that's all I have for the day so far. I just had breakfast, well rested. Someone asked me to show you guys my skincare routine. I don't really have like a major skincare, but you're going to be surprised. So I decided why not do it right now as I wait for the time. So let me show you guys what I do to, you know, get this kind of skin. But I would ask you to like drink a lot of water. Honestly, that's mainly most people's secret. I don't really use like intense skincare products because I did try using certain products for a day, right? Then nikasema yo, no, I'm not doing that to my skin. It was not screaming for help anyway, so I'll advise you to try drinking water. And let me show you guys what I've been doing lately, because I can't lie, my skin has been really nice, and I'm not really a water person, so maybe this might work for you. I'm not saying it's going to work for everyone, but this is what works for me right now. I don't really have a skin problem, but I mean, thank God, but this is what I do at least. Yeah. So this is the soap that I've been using for the past like 1 week. I used to use rice soap, and I normally alternate them with this one. So I'll show you guys what I actually do. Yeah. So guys, kitu ya kwanza I make sure I wet this soap, right? Now this is where I believe my secret is at. Do this. So after doing that, I wait for it to dry on my skin for like 30 minutes, an hour, because then I don't just do this asubuhi, I do it asubuhi na jioni mostly. If possible, sometimes I do it at, mchana, just cause I like it. But when ikikauka inakuanga very uncomfortable. If you can sleep, you can actually sleep with it. It will have better results. That's the secret of using soaps on your face. And don't mix the soap that you use on your body with like I actually don't do that. Like, I've not been doing that at all. Hata wakati sina hizi sabuni, I take like panga soap, sabuni zina perfume or anything much. I do this, then that's it. That's actually my secret. There's no secret. That's just the secret. Just make sure you wash your face like twice or thrice in a day. You don't necessarily need like turmeric soap or rice soap, and just take panga soap, make that foam, and put it on your face. Like me napenda you see, doing that thing that I was doing, then like I apply, then it sits, it dries in a mask sort of, yeah. And then I just chill. I feel like I get better results that way. Yeah, you're welcome. Bye. I'll see you guys as I go to pick my package kwa Jumia. Then I'll show you guys. I'm actually excited about the package because I've been wanting this this specific thing since last year, but I don't know, it to kwa kati yangu. Then I decided, you know what, I don't really have money to get everything off my cart, but this specific thing I actually need it because I just need it. Yeah, bye. I don't like pants that are not high waist, so nimekuja kuonyesha my scent of the day. I'm using these two combined. Today I'm not really having my outfit like all that, but I might change these pants. I don't like them. Let me change. These are the pants I'm wearing, but I don't like that they're not high-waisted. Let me change, then I come back. Guys, these are the pants I went for. I don't know if you guys can see them. Ni palazzo, and najua kuna manguo mnaona hapo kwa kiti. But like, these are the pants I'm going for. Very comfortable. They're my sister's. These are the shoes that I misuse every day. And my sister's pants. Yeah. Okay. So I just picked my package. Kafungue. I'm back home, and was able to tubu thambi. able to because the sun that is out here, mind you, your place, remember niliwaambia naenda pick package Jumia. I'm even eating ice cream. Nimempaka nimefika nikichange cause I could not. The sun is too much. Anyways, like you guys have seen, nimenunua miwa. One for myself and the other one for my sister. Anyways, I want to close off the vlog. Anyways, I want to close off the vlog, but before I do that, I want to fungue package. I don't know why it seems so small. This is why I hate online shopping. Like the package is super small. But Jumia, if you're watching this, I am Miss Pruddy, your future partner. Your future partner. And you see, with my small money that I have, I've always shopped from you guys. Ni vile tu hamjanijua bado. Ni vile hamjanijua. Let me tell you, Junior, since I'm talking to you. Ile school, Mungu atanibariki vizuri. You know what? I shoot good content. I can't wait to actually. Ooh, this is such a cute color. But zinakaa ndogo. But it's such a cute color. Yeah, so this is it. Makeup brushes. Yeah, if you know me, you know that I love makeup. I've actually, imagine, you are saying, nakwanga nimejifundisha that stuff from YouTube and TikTok, you know. Try to angalia the quality. They are 13, I guess. 13. Yeah. Nilizionanga kwa Zari Lee, Zonro. I saw them from her. Oh my god, I cannot wait, Chomi. I've been wanting. Imagine, mostly, nilitisha this one cause I feel like brushes too zinakwanga almost na the same work. But they look smaller than I thought. But we'll see how we'll work with that, right? Ooh, I'm excited to get to work. Let me tell you, I was talking to Jimmy. I'm gonna tag you guys and I'm going to do a good video. So you guys better make me a partner of yours. Because I'm gonna be a big deal. I'm not joking, by the way. Yeah, so yeah, this is beautiful. It's gorgeous, but ziko ndogo kuliko the way I thought. This one's ziko sawa. I expect them to be like this size. But these big brushes. Oh, I'm excited. This is my gift to myself for March. You know, this is my March gift. If you know me, kama umekuwa ukiwatch videos zangu kutoka kitambo, you know that I like gifting myself every month. So this is my March gift because I want to get back into creating content, good content, awesome content for everyone. So make sure you stay tuned. I'm gonna tag Jumia because I want to create a good video. Sijasema leo, but ile siku create it, I'm gonna tag them. So Jumia, hi. Yeah, I can't wait to use the brushes. Then you guys will see. Yeah, anyway. Thank you so much for watching till this far. I want to bring back, I used to zinaitwa inspiring quotes on my videos. Nishaanza ku edit this vlog. I just wanted to finish it up by telling you guys thank you so much for everyone who supports me, and thank you to God for this far He has brought me. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and please let's watch the video till the end. And also want to thank YouTube for bringing back my ads. Yeah, thank you, YouTube. So guys, let's work to, you know, getting to 1,000 subscribers and liking more and commenting, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys on my next video. I'm not sure if it's going to be a vlog, but yeah, I hope you've enjoyed watching. Bye. That you're coming home intoxicated. Ooh, so you better take your time.